Hey y'all, it's Carmen and I'm back with entry 39. I apologize if I butcher the name, but Maka's Home is the name on the label. I opened it with, yes, my X-Acto knife and unfolded it. So let's pull it out and see. And make sure that we got everything out of the bag. Yep. Man, y'all's handwriting is always so pretty. Am I the only one that has sloppy handwriting? At least from what I can tell, I am. Oh. Enjoy your day. I love that. She has handmade me a card. And it's got a little cactus succulent. And it's got little butterflies. And of course the flowers. And then it's got 1, 2, 3 layers. And then on a white cardstock. That is so pretty. Thank you so much for that. Okay. She says, Aloha, Carmen. Wishing you a very happy birthday and that you have many more. Thanks for hosting your challenge. Stay crafty and see you on the tube. Aloha, Maka from Maka's Home. Aw, I love it. Thank you so much, sweetheart. I love that. I love handmade cards. Oh, wow. That's definitely fun. And she's got it on this gorgeous jumbo clip. I love jumbo clips. I think that's probably why I ordered some, but I don't think I have this color. And then, of course, she's added an amazing tassel. That is so fun. Thank you so much for that. Excuse me. And this bag feels full. Oh, my goodness. Y'all definitely outdo yourselves each and every time. Y'all, I honestly asked for one crafter's choice. I'm sorry about all the crinkle. I honestly asked for one crafter's choice. A chalk writer. That is so awesome. I have a chalk pen, but mine's more, like big. So it's very hard to write because I've done my daughter's wedding. And so I have like a bigger chalk writer. That is so awesome. Thank you so much. Now I can maybe do some little notes on the smaller things. Oh my gosh. Self-stick notes. When you help someone, you get much closer to the top yourself. Up a hill, you get that much closer to the top yourself. I love that. I love that sentiment. And I'm always using sticky notes. So thank you, darling. Thank you. Memory rub-ons. The best thing about growing older is that it takes a long time until you reach 40. It don't take as long at that point. And then happy birthday. And then it's got all these birthday goodies, presents, hats, ice cream balloons. Awesome. And then it says the best to you on your special day. I love that. Thank you so much. And it's got the little stick in there also. Oh, a mermaid stencil. Wonder who I could craft for that would love that. Miss Mermaid Gina. Anti-aging. Minimize wrinkles and fine lines and other signs of aging. Oh, that feels good. Definitely need that. I'm definitely at that age. Wash and dry face completely. Okay, never mind. I'm not going to do that. It's a one spa treatment mask. Anti-aging. I don't usually do face masks, but I am starting to try and kind of minimize my aging. I don't necessarily have like a ton of wrinkles, but at the same time, it's like, okay, I'm starting to notice. I'm starting to notice some changing in my skin. So maybe I need to start doing something here. Oh my goodness, she's got another jumbo clip. And look at that black lace embellishment. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. And then she's got this cute little bag topper with all these gorgeous cutouts. Yep, I'm going to be talking a lot because I feel like I've got to share. And I don't want it to applique. That's what I was looking for. I was like, black lace embellishment, but it's actually a double black lace applique. I don't know where y'all find those. I got the white, but wow. Look at these cutouts. How dainty and fragile is that? I love roses. And then she's got me a gold one as well. And then she's got some little cards. Okay, now here's what I want to know right here. I have been looking for some of these leaf cutouts. Where do I find them? They are such great embellishments. I love them. Tell me where you find these so that I can find the die cut. I need a die cut. These are good leaf die cuts. I definitely need this. If you will share your secret, I will appreciate it so, so much. And then those gorgeous gold metallic hearts. I love it. Absolutely love them. Love them. And then more doilies. Oh, my doilies. Sometimes even my accent is just a little too weird for my own self. Look how pretty. Gorgeous. And I don't have any cutouts like this. I mean, I've had people gift me some like doily type, but not like this at all. And look at that precious bird. I love it. And it's in blue. My goodness, girl. You have definitely oversent. And wow, at these bag toppers. Look. Oh. Oh. I love black. I mean, I know I love black. But sometimes to see something like this, I get overwhelmed. Hello. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. She has got the swan. And it's not your typical white, not your typical pink. But oh my goodness. She has got the swan in this black paper or this dark gray. And then she's added the wings with a black glitter. Can y'all see that? It's hard for me to tell. My screen is kind of dirty. So, and then she has put it on this heart crepe paper that I am so in love with, that she has obviously die cut it out. And then she has added this gold rose with this, oh my gosh, Carmen, think. Embroidery floss thread. A bling in the center, and it says lovely, and it's got a little bling bow tie. And then she's put this white die cut behind it. Wow, that is so unique and yet so me. I mean, I'm so in love with this. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And I got to go here. I got to. Because she's listened. She knows I love my coffee. I love coffee cups. She's put another one in such a sweet little bag with a little bow. And she's added me 2 die cuts. And yes, I'm going to pull them out because they deserve it. They are too stinking cute not to show off. Oh my goodness, one has steam. I have not seen the one that has steam on it. Can y'all see that? Oh my goodness, she did it in red and green. And then this one's red and white. And then it's got the little steam up here. I've not seen that. And then she's got this one in green. And then it's outlined in the red and white polka dotted metallic little bitty dots. I don't know where you found that paper, but wow. That is so cute. See, I can use these anytime. Now, this one tends to lean more toward, like I could do a Christmas one with it, but because it's red and green and white. But this one can go anytime. Especially like Christmas or Valentine's Day or just because. But even this one could go as well. Thank you for this. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I love these coffee cups, y'all. Okay. I know I'm talking. She's even got another package. Ooh, that is so pretty. Look at that washi. And then the bag itself. Y'all just overwhelm. Oh. Y'all overwhelm me is what I was going to say. Oh my goodness. Bookmarks magnetic. And then it says best day ever. Inspire. Wait a minute. Let me make sure y'all can see. Best day ever. Inspire. Believe you can. Enjoy. Every day is a new adventure. Passion never fails. Love that one. Look how stinking cute. I'm telling y'all overdo it. Retro pop. Cool little patch things. Can you not? Oh my God. I love it. I love it. And she sent me a die cut. Y'all just go, man, y'all amaze me. Y'all just do way more than is asked. And I'm so beside myself. And I just want to thank y'all so much. Now, not only did she put all this together within several packages with package bags and bag toppers, she even did her memory decks that way. And look how she just, oh my gosh, I just kind of want to play with this flower. Look at that. She has used the die cut she shared right here. You see that? And then she's had a die cut tree. And then she's got this doily background. And I'm not sure. That's some kind of lace she's laid up on it. She's got the swirl. It says hugs. She's put a bow here with the heart cut out with words on it and a big old bling in the center. She's got a house back here in the background in white. And then she's added the green glitter background. Okay, first let me apologize if I pronounce your name wrong. Just because it's a unique name and I'm not used to pronouncing it. Makalani, I think is her name. Makalani. I apologize. Name, Makalani. And I apologize if I abuse it. Her, let's see. Her YouTube is MakazHome on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. Her birthday is January the 10th. She's a Capricorn. Her favorite color is green. You can see all that. And her favorite candy is Twix. my daughters too. My youngest baby's daughter. My youngest baby daughter. And then her favorite craft item is metal dies. And all-time favorite, Dallas Cowboys and all things Disney. Okay, first, I have to tell you, I grew up with Dallas Cowboys. All 7 of my brothers were fans. So, yes, go Dallas Cowboys if I'm going to professional. But roll tide any other way. And all things Disney. And then her style is fun, whatever mood I'm in to accentuate. And then her $5 crafty item is anything shiny. I agree there, sweetheart. I agree there. Wow. She has sent me so much, and I cannot thank you enough. You are so sweet, so talented, and I am so in love with so much that you have sent me. Thank you so much. And I've got one more package, and if there's any that come in tomorrow, I hope to have this up before they do, because I do want to share my swap partner, and I've got to get busy on my ribbon BB craft items. So in between then, please understand, I'm not trying to bombard with videos, but I do want to share everything that everybody has sent. I'm so blessed, so touched, and I thank each and every one of you, and I hope that you are having a great week. And as always, I wish you the absolute best.